welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program called Blockbuster Review, we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will take a look at Vadh Part 2. Vadh came in 2022 and it came without much fanfare, yet the narrative of a couple battling the circumstances gradually gained recognition as a thriller. Vadh 2 serves as a spiritual sequel to the original film featuring the same characters, although the storyline is entirely independent of its predecessor. इसकी story एकदम अलग है लेकिन characters वही है इस film में. With a runtime of just over 2 hours, the film's length is reasonable, but even that becomes an uphill task because of the bland screenplay that relies heavily on the twist. Here's a film that believes more in the destination and less in the journey. The screenplay assumes that the audience needs to be spoon-fed every single detail, and if necessary, show the same scene twice just in case the audience has forgotten it even before the film is over. फिल्म शुरू होती है मंजू नाम की एक लड़की के साथ जिसे जेल भेजा जाता है. वो बोलती है कि वो इनोसेंट है, लेकिन जज बोलते हैं कि गवाहों और सबूतों को नजर में रखते हुए मुझे लगा कि मैं ये 70s की कोई फिल्म देख रहा हूँ. After several sunsets, Manju, played by Neena Gupta, continues to serve her 28-year sentence and she finds an ally in the prison. उनकी दोस्ती हो जाती है शंभुनाथ के साथ, which is played by Sanjay Mishra, who is a prison guard, and he is very kind to her, offers her assistance in every possible way. Shambhu occasionally pilfers vegetables from the prison to repay a loan he took out for his son, while Manju acts as a maternal figure to the other inmates within the facility. In the first film, they were portrayed as a married couple. इस फिल्म में उनकी शादी नहीं हुई है, लेकिन उनकी दोस्ती बहुत गहरी है. The new prison superintendent Prakash, played by Kumud Mishra, embodies a deeply casteist attitude. He not only demands to know a person's name, but also insists on learning their surname to ascertain their caste. और अगर सिर्फ नाम और सरनेम से उनको कास्ट का पता नहीं चला, ये वो भी जानना चाहते हैं कि वो उनकी कास्ट में कौन सी हायरार्की है. तो बोलते हैं कि चौहान, कौन से वाले चौहान हो तुम. Regrettably, this reflects a harsh reality that persists even today, making his character the most believable one in the film. Furthermore, his character is not simply black or white. The various shades of grey contribute to his intrigue. Despite his casteist tendencies, he does not tolerate indiscipline within the prison and takes action against offenders who wield power and influence. The villain in the film is Keshav, played by Akshay Dogra. He is a prisoner characterized by a singular note. He kills puppies, perpetually wears a smug expression, and treats women unfairly, all due to his connection as the brother of a local MLA. When Keshav goes missing from the prison, a police officer named Atit, played by Amit K. Singh, is assigned to investigate the situation. What should have unfolded as a gripping cat and mouse chase ultimately becomes a mixed bag. This is largely because of the lackluster nature of the investigating officer's character and methods, which regrettably consume a significant amount of screen time. There are supporting characters like Nadeem, played by Nadeem Khan, the corrupt prison guard, and Rajni, played by Shilpa Shukla, the lady warden who knows more than a thing or two about what transpires behind the walls. A moral narrative exists regarding the implications of taking the law into one's own hands and discerning between justice and injustice. More so because it comes from common people who are fighting many other battles day in and day out, and then they are burdened with some more. फिल्म में बहुत ज़बरदस्त एक्टर है जैसे संजय मिश्रा, नीना गुप्ता और कुमुद मिश्रा, who are seasoned. Their performance lends a lot of credibility to their characters. Now, Vadh 2 may be intended as a slow burn, alright, but it could have benefited from a crisper storytelling. I'm going to go with 2 out of 5 stars for the new sequel of Vadh called Vadh 2. Well, that's what I thought of Vadh 2 that was released this week. Do let us know what you think, and I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.